Hi, this is Terry. This is today's Tech Tip Tuesday. We're looking at squeaking brakes. The brakes has been sitting for a very long time, and you can see the rust that has built up from the car sitting. And this is the location of where the pad has been sitting for that length of time. And you can see how all of the neighbors that have moved into in the process. Okay, we're going to try to show you where the noise is coming from, and by mounting the GoPro on the inside and taking the car for a quick drive. Okay, let's get these brakes apart so I can show you what's wrong when we get over to the brake lathe. The job of the brake rotor is to remove the rust buildup or unevenness on the brake rotor surface. It has two blades that cut evenly on both sides, which will true it so that at the end you'll end up with pretty well perfectly straight rotor. And our sanding disc here, we normally use it to resurface the flat surface of the pad so that it sits flat on the pad, onto the rotor properly. Normally we can do it manually by hand, or depending on how bad the surface is, then we can
What's that, Terry?
That's the brake pad wear sensor. When the brake pads get low enough, it shorts out and it turns the light on the dash, telling you that your brake pads are going to require service very soon.
Okay, so we're just going to go take this for a test drive in a few minutes, right, bud?
Yes, we're going to take it for a test drive and recheck it again.
All better.
Okay, we're going for a test drive to verify that the brakes are not pulsating anymore. Shake.
What do you think? Sounds
Very
better.
good. A lot better. We're out for a test drive and everything's great. Thanks for watching Tech Tuesday.